I know they look pretty similar, but that's actually not the TV.
No, but it is just as magnificent a machine.
I haven't seen one of these babies in years, and they've improved so much since then. I mean, look at all these different settings. I don't know what a taquito is, but oh, I'm gonna microwave it.
Might as well. You've already done half the stuff in the freezer.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. I got a little carried away. It's just that we don't have one of these things at Hogwarts. I mean, look at all these buttons! Sorry, I'm being weird again.
No, don't apologize. I'm just in a pissy mood because I've got to take on an extra shift at the call center because a coworker has to visit his grandma in the hospital. Conveniently, the same night that Ben Foltz is performing at Navy Pier.
Ah, the sickly granny excuse. Got me out of our herbology final, that one.
Well, all I have to say is the old hag better have some kind of cancer.
This just in. Curtis wishes cancer on elderly woman.
Shut up. Well, tonight I'll be home with just enough time to grab dinner before I have to head out again. So in the meantime, continue enjoying all the new features of the 2016 microwave.
Oh, don't worry. I will. I'm gonna put in popcorn and see what happens when I set it to fish.
Oh boy. Barry, can you let me back in? I forgot my keys.
I guess they still can't do metal. Anyway. I'm gonna do grapes now. Bye.